Welcome. Today, you'll learn exactly how to remove your profile photo on the Instagram app using your PC, even after the latest update. Whether you want a fresh start, extra privacy, or just prefer a blank avatar, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. First, make sure you're logged into your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the profile icon. It's usually your current profile photo or a little person symbol. This will take you straight to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. It should be easy to spot near the top of your profile details. Click on it to open up your profile editing options. Within the Edit Profile section, you'll see your current profile photo displayed prominently. Right below or next to it, look for the option that says Change Photo. Click on this, and a small menu will appear with several choices. From the menu, select Remove Current Photo. Instagram will ask you to confirm that you want to remove your profile picture. Go ahead and confirm your choice. Instantly, your profile photo will disappear, and your account will now display the default avatar, giving your profile a clean, minimalist look. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've removed your Instagram profile photo using the app on your PC. This update makes it easier than ever to manage your online presence and control how you appear to others. If you ever want to add a new photo, just repeat these steps and choose a new image instead of removing one. Remember, you can always switch things up as often as you like to match your mood or style. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most out of your Instagram experience.